thokozani bogogo, thokozani izindlondo, thokozani izinyanga. Ngizocala ngokubonga kakhulu ku-South Africa jikelele regarding indaba ye-meat grinder, the support that I've been getting. I-meat grinder sesithengisile, siyabonga kakhulu. I-meat grinder yethu sinalo we-2,900 which is ilokhu as of i-1 zika-July, and then sibe nalo okuyi-3.5 okuwukuthi lona uyagaya uphinde futhi uyisefele wona ngokwawo. So kusho ukuthi wena-ke usuka sowuhlele phansi uzigayele uyisefele, uyavele ngokuya soyogcwalisa amabhodlela. Inamba yethu nizoyibona ku-screen phansi 0672096344. Ekhoneni lethu esitradeni sethu uzobona ngePhukani Africa, the emblem ePhukani Africa, it's a big emblem. It will show you direction ukuthi sitholakala ngakuphi. So mawusethi proof ezone 2 eNuvuvu Street, you will just see by the corner ukuthi kuna the big logo that we have put there for ama-customer wethu ukuthi bangahloniphi. Siyabonga.
Awungoba ngaphandle kwenu, yise lobulawa ngisho